Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we'll be discussing a vital aspect of software development, competence and training as emphasized in ISO 90003. Ensuring that project team has the necessary skills and knowledge is critical to the success of any software project, and ISO 90003 provides clear guidelines on how to achieve this. Understanding competence in ISO 90003. Competence refers to the combination of skills, knowledge, and experience required to perform tasks effectively. In the context of software development, competence is not only about technical abilities but also understanding the processes, tools, and methodologies needed to deliver high-quality software. ISO 90003 emphasizes that organizations must define the competencies required for each role within the software development team. This includes identifying the specific skills and knowledge that team members need to fulfill their responsibilities and contribute to the project's success. Assessing and identifying competence gaps. The first step in managing competence is assessing the current skill levels of the project team and identifying any gaps. ISO 90003 suggests that organizations should regularly evaluate the competencies of their staff to ensure they are aligned with the project's needs. For example, if the project involves adopting a new technology or methodology, it's essential to determine whether the team has the necessary expertise. If gaps are identified, the organization must take steps to address them, either through training or by bringing in external expertise. Implementing targeted training programs. Once competence gaps are identified, ISO 90003 recommends implementing targeted training programs to bridge these gaps. Training should be tailored to the specific needs of the project and the roles of individual team members. For instance, if a developer needs to learn a new programming language or a project manager needs to understand a new project management tool, the organization should provide focused training sessions. This could include workshops, online courses, mentoring, or on-the-job training. The goal is to ensure that every team member has the skills and knowledge they need to perform their tasks effectively and contribute to the overall success of the project. Continuous learning and development. Competence is not a one-time achievement but an ongoing process. ISO 90003 highlights the importance of continuous learning and development throughout the software development lifecycle. As technologies and methodologies evolve, so too must the skills of the project team. Organizations should foster a culture of continuous improvement where team members are encouraged to regularly update their skills and stay informed about the latest industry trends and best practices. This can be achieved through regular training sessions, attending conferences, participating in webinars, and encouraging self-directed learning. Documenting competence and training activities. ISO 90003 also stresses the importance of documenting competence and training activities. Keeping detailed records of training sessions, certifications, and competence assessment helps ensure transparency and accountability. It also provides a clear overview of the team's capabilities and identifies areas for future improvement. These records are valuable during audits or reviews as they demonstrate the organization's commitment to maintaining a competent workforce. They also serve as a resource for planning future training and development initiatives. Aligning competence with project goals. Finally, it's essential to align competence and training efforts with the overall goals of the software project. ISO 90003 suggests that competence management should be integrated into the project planning processes. By doing so, we can ensure that the right skills are in place at the right time, supporting the project's objectives and contributing to its success. For example, if the project's goal is to develop a highly secure software application, the team should include members with expertise in cybersecurity and additional training should focus on the latest security practices. In conclusion, competence and training are critical components of successful software projects, and ISO 90003 provides a comprehensive framework for managing them. By assessing competencies, implementing targeted training programs, fostering continuous learning, and aligning skills with project goals, we can ensure that our team is equipped to deliver high-quality software that meets customer expectations. Remember, a well-trained and competent team is the foundation of any successful software project. Investing in their development not only benefits the project, but also contributes to the long-term growth and success of the organization. Thank you for joining and watching us today, and I hope this deep dive into competence and training in ISO 90003 has provided valuable insights that you can apply in your software development efforts. Stay tuned for the next video. Also, in the next video, we are going to talk about customer focus in software development. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.